Hey everybody, it's Aaron here with ATBBQ.com's Outdoor Kitchen Design Team. And today, you're gonna see our team put together an outdoor kitchen frame from start to finish. Now, while this is just gonna be a 4-foot section, the same principles you'll see here will apply to a complex set of framing with multiple sections involved. When your frames arrive, you set the sections in place and you get it leveled. It's a simple process. You get your level out, you adjust the feet, you secure the nut, and you move on. After your frames are set, it's time to apply the cement board. It's easiest to trace the cutouts and openings and then use an angle grinder to cut them out. At that point, you fasten the sections of concrete board to the framing using 1-inch self-drilling lathe screws. Now that the concrete board has been applied, it's time to install your doors and drawers. Prior to installing, the granite company will make all of their measurements and account for overhangs. They'll then make all of their cutouts according to the specifications. After the countertops have been set, it's time to install the appliances. Today, in our 4-foot island, we've installed a Napoleon BI32 grill head. Lastly, it's time to apply your finishing material. The stonemason will determine the coursing, make their cuts, and start applying. With the countertops, appliances, and under-counter components all in place, the mason will apply the finishes right up to the edges, providing a clean-looking finished product. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing our team put together an outdoor kitchen from start to finish, and that you found the process inspiring. Maybe you even found yourself thinking, hey, I can do that, because you can, and we can help you. If you have interest in an outdoor kitchen, get the conversation started at atbbq.com.